All new at 4, the help is available, but it's not being used.
Yeah, ABC 15 following up on part of the Justice Department's report accusing Phoenix of underutilizing a program in treating behavioral health calls. Fort Hatchett digs into this.
Since 2019, Phoenix has partnered with Solari, a nonprofit crisis agency that has team members in the 911 call center in Phoenix.
And the role and the focus there of that team is to help work with 911 dispatchers on identifying individuals that may be better suited being served through Solari's crisis line.
Solari helps divert calls that traditionally would see law enforcement respond to behavioral health and crisis teams.
It's critical to get the right services and the right care to the people at the right time.
But in the Department of Justice's report, they found Solari wasn't being used enough, saying, quote, in our random sample of possible behavioral health-related calls, this was the only call in which the call taker contacted Solari.
Where we are today and where we were 2 or 3 years ago is we're leaps and bounds ahead.
Solari's CEO, Justin Chase, says the program has grown exponentially.
Yeah, well over 500 calls per month are coming out of the 911 center over to the crisis line for us to support. And we have a less than 2% time that the calls need to go back to 911 for public safety or medical response.
Phoenix police also say they're utilizing more behavioral health partners like Phoenix Fire's Community Assistance Program.
Actually, 20% of all 911 related calls have a behavioral health primary issue.
More than doubling the number of calls 911 dispatched the program in May compared to February.
So Solari's role in this is operating the call center, the contact center operations, and then the dispatch function for mobile crisis within the community. Local providers provide the mobile crisis supports throughout the state.
Still, there's acknowledgement more improvement is needed, but Chase says the trend is positive.
Being at this point and remembering where we were 20 years ago, this is significant improvement, and one life saved, one life changed makes it worth it, and it's what gets me out of bed every day.
In Phoenix, Fort Hatchett, ABC 15, Arizona.
Thank you. Our ABC 15 investigators have read that DOJ report front to back to help you better understand what's in it and the impact on our community. Find all of the coverage streaming now on our ABC 15 app on your favorite device.